Thanks for making the time to find out the innovation process type of your organization. While your quiz report is being created, let's talk about your results and best practices. Hi, I'm Flor Blindenbach and I'm the founder of Organizer for Innovation and the creator of this assessment. Based on the information you have shared and the little I know about your organization, it uses the occasional innovation process. That means you wait for the right opportunity at the right time to innovate. It makes for a very lean approach to innovation. The occasional approach is often used by firms for whom innovation is not a habit, because opportunities to innovate don't occur that frequently. And when placing one bet at a time, it means that you need to get it right the first time around. In other words, the team that you put in place for the occasion need to be sharpshooters, so they can nail their innovation project. But because there are just a few projects that you initiate, you want them to be successful every single time. And that's easier said than done. Knowing where you want to be in the future is one thing. Knowing how to get there is another. For occasional innovators, the best way to make things happen is to work with the people in your organization. They know your current clients, they know your processes. Involve them when the opportunity arises. However, since they are in all likelihood novices when it comes to innovating, or inexperienced at best, you will need to provide them with the proper support. How otherwise are they going to pull off their innovation project successfully? So let's go over a few challenges of working with your own people and keeping the innovation process this lean. Clearly there's not a lot of in-house experience with innovating that way. No clear paths to success, because there are no precedents to follow. And innovation projects are nobody's key priority. Everyone has their regular job. And that's because the number of projects initiated is simply low. There are not that many. There is no tested or proven process. Again, because innovation is not ingrained within the firm. And innovation competes with many other activities that are often more urgent and that deliver immediate rewards. But you're definitely not alone in using the occasional approach. Many firms don't have an innovation infrastructure, or a budget, or a process, or an innovation unit. But not having a proven process can be a problem, because the weakest link determines your overall output. So if you're not good at any of the steps from ideation, validation, development to implementation, there's a high likelihood that your innovation team won't be able to deliver. And lastly, the number one success factor is the engagement of the people from the business unit. It's a great way to develop talent and engage them. An awesome opportunity to learn about the business of the business. We work with teams in organizations that use the occasional approach successfully all day and every day. And we have developed a steering wheel to provide the support that these innovation teams need. That way, all innovation teams can follow a state-of-the-art innovation process, regardless of the innovation experience of their organization. They get the guidance they need when they need it, have something concrete to show for within 6 months, and they have some fun, because participating in innovation projects becomes a valuable learning experience. Take for example the Minutebook team. After 9 years of trying to get the project off the ground, we helped a partner of a law firm and his team to get the business case approved of what turned to be a $1 million investment within 16 weeks. To get the approval from the partnership, we steered the team away from competing opinions and instead recommended them to use a client-centric approach that explained the value of the proposed solutions and created a business case that was 100% fact-based. Another example is a team of Children's Hospital in New Orleans. In this case, we helped a nurse practitioner and a pediatric urologist with expanding their telemedicine offering. While there were clear benefits for pregnant mothers, the busy physicians of other specialties did not see how they could fit additional telemedicine visits in their already overloaded schedules. It took a lot of hard work and creativity to find a solution, among others by showing how it could help in patient triage. Thankfully, this team persevered, because when the pandemic hit, thanks to their groundwork, the hospital was able to scale operations from 250 telemedicine visits a month to 250 telemedicine medicine visits a day. If you recognize the challenges of these cases and would like to experience the same results as Children's Hospital or the Minutebook team, then get a taste of what is possible with our START program. And if you found this 5-minute video valuable, imagine what we can do when we work with you for 2 weeks or let alone 6 months. Experience what it is to innovate like a sharpshooter. And because you have taken the time to take this quiz and tell me more about your organization, we would love to make you a special offer. Now the only catch is this. We ask you to register for an Explore session right now, so you don't forget. And during this session, we'll discuss if there is a good fit, give you a demo of the steering wheel and discuss possible next steps, and tell you more about that special offer. So go ahead, plan your Explore session. And please know there are no obligations to this session other than having an interest in turning your team or teams into sharpshooters that nail their innovation projects every single time. We are looking forward to meeting you.